Meaning of hospital trust.
Hospital trust.
Hospital trust.
Hospital trust.
Hospital trust. In the UK, a hospital trust is an organization that manages one or more hospitals, including their healthcare services and facilities. Hospital trusts are responsible for ensuring the delivery of high-quality care to patients, managing budgets and resources, and implementing government policies and guidelines. Each hospital trust is overseen by a board of directors, headed by a chief executive officer. The purpose of a hospital trust is to provide efficient and effective healthcare services to local communities, while also improving overall health outcomes across the region it serves.